Very good morning to all of you. Today you all are gathered here to be part of the in-house training CBSE Annual Office Patna. My topic is promotion of the mental health in school. So now time to start the topic. This one is very important topic because this one topic already stated that promotion of the mental health. Overall, we can understand it. What's called the mental health? We need to understand it. In simple meaning, mental health. This one is the capacity to face the difficulty. This one is the capacity to face the challenges. This one is capacity to enjoy the challenges. Challenges हमारे सामने आते रहते हैं. You have to enjoy the challenges. You have to face the challenges. You have to develop the capacity to convert the challenges, accommodate the challenges. So first of all, topic is related to the promotion of health in school. So not make you forget the staff, not make you forget the stakeholder of the school. It should be concentrate on the students, staff members like teachers, teaching and teaching, parents also. This topic should move around the teacher, parents, students, librarian, all teaching staff and non-teaching staff. Main purpose of this topic is that this was selected by me to deliver among you all. Set the mind of the state. Set the mind of the state. Without setting the mind of the state, we are facing various types of difficulty in our surrounding. Now, try to start this one with students. When teachers visit in the classroom, and classroom teacher observe various types of difficulties. Sometimes teachers, someone is students not doing well. In my paper, someone doing well, but it's no way to speak. It's not way to realize. We have to accommodate it, because if someone not doing well in the class in this specific subject, maybe same students, maybe someone is special, maybe become example of multiple intelligence. Yes or no? हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. इसको हम लोग इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. Not doing well, not mental fit, facing difficulty in learning. But maybe person came in the front in the further future as a multiple intelligence, as a scientist, research scholar. So you all have to make the plan to show the failure success to the students. Either in assembly, to help of the assembly, you can choose assembly as a platform. During the session of assembly, we can take various examples among the students about the failure success, about the backbencher, how backbencher came on the front and they are giving true knowledge to the people and people are benefited by their contribution. So overall, this one is not related to only teaching learning system. It is also associated with all of the aspects. What are all of the aspects? First of all, need to know aspects of the mental challenges. Coordination, collaboration, empowerment, identify the diversity. Identify the diversity. Suppose teachers are engaged in the classroom, engaged in the teaching learning process. So need to analyze the individual differences of the students. Analyze, not only identify. Actually, all various dimensions of the identify the mental challenge of the students. Various dimensions. Students' marks, behavior, homework, classwork. These are the general dimensions, general approach to identify the mental challenges of the students. But we all have to analyze it in broader perspectives. Need to see it in broader perspectives. Need to do research on this, and need to take action. What type of action? Contact with the parents. Need to the background of the students. Need to the activity, need to know activity of the students, and we can reach beyond the final point. We can reach to the final point. How we can reach to the final point? If case study prepared by the teacher about the students, then teacher will reach to the point, reach to the objective. What type of treatments are required? What type of treatments are required for concerning students concerning anxiety? So, mental challenges in the capacity to enjoy the challenges. कभी challenge, कभी से problem नहीं समझना, enjoy करना. Mental challenges in the capacity to deal the challenges. Challenges को deal करना है हम लोगों को. और क्या क्या हम लोग स्टेप दे सकते हैं? Various types of steps, and all of these steps can be helpful to accommodate the mental challenges. We can say accommodate the mental challenges, yeah. We can also say accommodate the state of the mind. And instability of the state of the mind is one of the responsible reasons for all type of the difficulty. Either students not doing well because students not do more expectation in the subject. Students not do the more expectation in the subject. उम्मीद ज़्यादा कर लेते हैं. बच्चे की पोटेंशियल नहीं होती है. What not for on potential, but sometimes what not to stop on work, stop on study, and only engage in daydream. I will score one day will come. I will score more than 95%. Daily engage in making good things, and making plan, copying one that. No, I will really receive more than 90%. But what engage in the work? Same thing like suppose someone person had bike, and bike accessory with the modern technologies, advanced technologies, German technologies. But bike requires the fuel. Yes, bike requires the fuel. और fuel नहीं है तो क्या होगा? कितनी भी अच्छी बाइक है तो उसका कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रहता है. So if someone making plan to do the best, then someone also required to do work for them. To do work for them. Yes or no? If someone want to do best, someone required work for them. If someone not want to work for them and only limited in on aspiration, limited in on goal, then people can't able to do best. So teacher can accommodate. Teacher can accommodate. Teacher has huge potential to accommodate. Teacher can be reinforcement to the world. Teacher can be reinforcement to the world. In this various perspective, what can do better? What sometimes someone is not by the learner. Actually, you all are learner. You all are scholar. But you all can make plan to do better. Now I was talking about the students' individual differences to stability of the mindset of the people. Identify the individual differences of the students. But mental challenges not moving around the students only. If I am talking about the mental promotion of the mental challenges in school boundary, so it's also move among the people who associated with the school. How it will be beneficial for the staff member also. Due to some of the tracks, permanent merit is called the track. So due to some of the track, teachers are also known to face the mental challenges problem. Teachers are also welcome to face the mental challenges problem. So teachers need to set up track for the sustainable development. एक सील रूम होता है, ट्रैक होता है, जो हर टीचर को क्या करना चाहिए अपने अंदर में समाहित करनी चाहिए और उस पर्सपेक्टिव से टीचर अपने कार्य को अच्छा कर सकते हैं. How we can empower the mental challenges? Meditation, exercise, these can empower the mental challenges because for well-being of the individual, this is required. Yoga is one of the best way to empower the mental challenges. Actually, stresses are come up in front of us, either teacher or students, due to the burden, and burden already created by us. Suppose teachers are in stress. Reason is that because work not properly done by the teachers. Actually, work stored by the teachers. Suppose I will take. I am going to take another example. Lesson plan. Lesson plan. I am not giving information as a school work, but I will take the example of the lesson plan. Suppose the session already started on the 24th. Number of the teachers not completed it because routine was not available on the time. But after the releasing of the routine, number of teachers till now, even I also not completed our lesson plan. So, some time will come, it will become challenges for me. Yes or no? So particle of the work, regular work, can be solve the problem, and due to the regular work, due to consecutive work, we minimize the mental challenges problems. So happiness is one of the also way to give strength to the mental challenges. Happiness, support, sharing, care. Happiness, support, sharing, care. Share on problem to basically this one is also prevent to us for mental illness. So for well-being, what need to require? If you are not feeling well, to share on opinion, share on problem to on best colleague. You have no such type of colleague in this school. Then you can put it on diary, and you can feel it. You can imagine it. It will prevent you for mental illness. You can share to another also. Yes. Naive, best friend. This one is also empowered to you for your well-being. Overall, mental challenges is overall well-being of the people. And if people healthy, if people known for mental health, people can do best in work. Either people associated with any work, either people associated with any type of the plant, any type of the business. All of the field people can take two advantages due to the mental health. Parents is one of the important aspects of the mental health. Parents are one of the important aspects of the mental health. As a part of the school, as an integral part of the stakeholder, parents are to be known to guide by the teachers. Parents also to be counseled by the teachers, not only in the parents meeting. Instead of the parents meeting, a class teacher make proper relationship with the parents, and parents will provide bundle of data about the students, not only academy, apart from the academy. Here, if teachers receive the number of the information, bundle of the information by the concerning parents, teacher can be shared in the classroom. Yes or no? It should be friendly. When your word is not doing well, this one is the not good sentence for the parents. Day to day, your word progress is observed by you. Subsequently, its improvement, and it will improve when your profession is required. Please tell me about did he is interested in the DRC. Did DRC is interested in the song, interested in the game. What is more interest of your word? You can write it in on diary, and you can give state to the word in morning assembly, either any cultural program. In this way, we can solve the problem of the mental illness of the child. Solve the problem of mental illness of the child. Actually, out of the 30, sir, as per the WHO record, out of 33 were well known to facing difficulty of mental illness in all of the schools. Out of 33, minimum well known to facing difficulty of the mental challenges. Generally, it's observed as all are responsible for in better platform to our work, students work, study, teacher work, teaching learning system, and parents work, provide assistance, make alignment with the teacher, So we all teacher, students, parents, these three components are well known for make proper alignment, and this type of alignment can be provide better banking and also remove the mental illness. Actually, mental illness can be solved through the ideas. You all have to develop the ideas. Ideas can be give more output. Sometimes taken by the person in physical way. Doctor well known to provide medicine to the patient. Okay, in physical way, doctor treated as a physical way, but psychiatrist well known to treat on patient as a mental way. So we all are psychiatrists. Every class teacher, every subject teacher, all are psychiatrists. You all have to work as a psychiatrist. Every mother, every father should become as a psychiatrist. But today in modern day, mother and father not want for psychiatrist. Mother and father only well known for the work as a doctor, physical work. Doctor not for the paracetamol, etc. Some type of medicine. They eat, they endorse, and your disease accomplished and not existed. Yes or no? But psychiatrists are not known for physical treatment. Psychiatrists are well known for mental treatments. To help of the mental treatment, we can accommodate the diversity. Actually, diversities who are prevalent in the society, these are the natural. जो diversity हमारी society में है, ये सब क्या है? Natural है. Yes or no? Diversities are natural in our society. All of the individuals are not same, but we have power to accommodate it. Someone, you should go to work as a class teacher. So diversities are natural. Sometimes it's taken by the personality. Diversity, precious gift of nature. Diversities are precious gift of nature, but we should not link it in this word. Diversity are precious gift of nature. Even twins couples not equal. This type of various type of example in front of us, but we should understand it. Diversities are interference of human activity. Diversities are interference of human activity. वो तो है जो बचपन से मिला है, जो जन्मजात है, जीन के माध्यम से मिला है, but due to the environment, due to the help of this whole, due to the help of the parents, teachers, surrounding community, these are the four components of the mental health. To help of the components of the mental health, we can accommodate the diversity. We are not supposed to change the diversity. We have no power, no potential, but we can accommodate the diversity. We can accommodate the mindset of the personality. Yes or no? So all of the things who are prepared among us, these are the interface of human activity. हमारे क्रियाकलापों का परिणाम है. बच्चा क्लास में कमजोर है, उसे हम कमजोर समझना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. सिर्फ मैं ही नहीं, आप भी, उनके पिताजी भी, है ना, सभी लोग उनके आप ऊपर करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. बट वो मैंने पहले ही कहा कि मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस के एग्जांपल हो सकते हैं. So now time to move towards solution. What are the solution? As a components of the mental health, what need to do? School required constitution of healthy school committee. Healthy school required constitution of healthy mental health committee. In this way, we can bring the changes, physical changes. Showcase of the failure success. In notice board, we can take the various type of the picture, and due to the help of this picture, students can learn. Oh, Mister, really on a negative time, very poor. But right now, Mister, picture is pasted here. Yes or no? addiction, and like many of the personality who earlier faces full difficulty, slow learner, but finally they came up with the front. So we can prepare the notice board in the school to help out the notice board. Slow learner can realize it. You know, I am not slow. Someone in past more slow than me. So I will do best. My name will be tested there. The main purpose is that not only teach to the students, to create interest among the students. Every teacher is required not only teach to the students, create interest among the students. To create interest among the students. When it will be came up when we understand the problem of the students. When we know the students. When we know students in broader perspectives, overall healthy school policy. What are the objectives of healthy school policy? Actually, healthy school policy should be based on the principle of collaboration, mutual cooperation. Duties should be assigned for everyone, and everyone should be accountable. Healthy school policy. Now I am not talking about the only students. Mental health required for parents, teachers, students, all. Healthy school policy can be promoted work to the various wings who are engaged in the school work, and all of the wings should be responsible for accountability. याद रखेंगे आप लोग accountability बहुत जरूरी है. If wing of the teacher appointed by the school committee who are responsible for individual work, so wings accountable for that. Accountability is different thing. If you are not doing well, if person not doing well, not giving focus on our work, so you accountable. Authority can ask question to you. So all of the person required to move around the outcomes. School committee should be focused on outcomes. What are the three outcomes? Accountability. If you are not doing well in upcoming time, other will take your post. If you are not doing well in upcoming time, other will take your post. Second is that responsiveness. Healthy school policy should be move around the responsiveness. As a better parents, as a better stakeholder, as a better teachers, we all are moral responsibility that to listen the voice of the students. As a better principal, as a better authority, as a better chairman of the institution, as a better director of the institution, because topic is related to mental health in the school, promotion of mental health in the school. So as a better authority, as a better director, as a better chairman, and as a better principal, it's responsibility to chairman to listen the voice of the staff, to listen the teacher, to listen the voice of the students. Responsibility state that to listen the voice of the concerning people. And upcoming step. What is the upcoming step? What is the upcoming step of the responsible? To listen the voice of the people and take action as per required. सुनना है, सुनने वाला सरकार. डेमोक्रेसी में हम लोग बात करते हैं responsive government. To listen the voice of the people and take action as per requirement. यानी कि हम शिक्षकों को बच्चों को इग्नोर नहीं करना, उनकी बात को सुनना है. एक्चुअली कल्चर हम लोग बना कर रखा है, I will do नहीं. रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस, बच्चा आपके पास आता है, उनकी बात को आपको सुनना है. अब क्या बोल रहा है, गलत है या सही है, अपने स्टैंडर्ड के मुताबिक आपको क्या लेना है, डिसीजन लेना है. To listen the voice of the students and take action as per the requirement. It will give better output. In this perspective, child mental health can be improved, can be empowered. So responsiveness is one of the features, and this one feature should be developed among all of the stakeholders, not only teacher. parents, teacher, non-teaching staff, and this will empower the mental health of the concerning people. Suppose you are sharing on problem to the authority. The authority should be move around your responsiveness feature. Yes or no? Either your demand is good or not good. Your demand is good or not good, but authority can listen it and authority can give decision. Same happen, same it will be. Go throughout the parents. As a better parents also required to listen the voice upon word. Think it, what is my voice query? Analyze it. Did my what? Demand is good or not? And parents can think about that and take action. Other thing is that one of the other thing also related to the mental health. Mental health is stated well-being of the people. Well-being health. And people have ability to challenge the problem, challenge the difficulty, deal the problem. So in this perspective, you can say not only showcase of the scholar part in school assembly, but such type of case study to be presented during the morning assembly, case study of the scholar to be presented in the morning assembly. Then this one will be helpful for the slow learner. Slow learner can think of really in the past many more came up before me and do well, I will do better. I will do better. Generally in classroom, students are well known for the expectation. The more expectation can be damage the students' learning. More expectation can be damage the students' learning. The conclusion is that all of the stakeholders like parents, teachers, students should accommodate on mindset. Instead the various type of the obstacle, various type of the barrier. All required to accommodate on mindset. And in this perspective, some of the physical practice are important. Exercise, meditation, better environment, pass time in the park, enjoy in peaceful places, and tour and moving around the scenic beauty, engage in the artwork, and these all work can be empower the mental health of the person. One of the other example, one of the key success to empower the mental health is that reinforcement. And it will be taken as a positive and negative sense both. It will be taken as a positive and negative sense both. No, you are not doing well. Mohit Kumar, you are not doing well. Really, I expect you can do. Mohit, next day you will receive the performance of Mohit in class. Yes or no? Really, Mohit as a word is slow learner. But Mohit guided by you in previous class, in upcoming class, Mohit will do the best. Really, Mohit can do best in the upcoming class because negative reinforcement was given by you. Mohit, you are not doing well. You can do. First negative, you are not doing well. Negative reinforcement, you can do. Mohit can do better. Like staff member, because topic is that promotion of mental health in school. All of the staff member can do well. Sir, your performance was earlier too well. I am ready to appreciate it, and this one already appreciated by me in front of all. But in this session, you are not doing that. These sentences became very important for the staff member. Staff member will do better in upcoming time. Yes, sir, I will do better. This was the positive reinforcement or not? Positive reinforcement. And one of the barriers regarding the mental health, one of the barriers regarding the promotion of the mental health, sometimes all of the staff member by the authority, not treated equally. So, better promotion of the mental health, top to bottom, guardian to high authorities should be rewarded by the management, guardian, DD, Aya to bottom should be rewarded by the management as a own work. This will be resolve the problem of the mental challenges, because here main motto of the school is that removal of the mental illness. Removal of the mental illness. How to set up, how to establish well-being, how to establish good work culture. These things can empower the mental health. Overall, in short word, develop a state of surrounding. In that surrounding, all happy, living in enjoyment, ready to work with full potential, then mental health required. Yes or no? Required or not? Required. Overall, next. Yes. Other components of the mental health, the ability to accept self. सबसे पहले अपने आप से क्या कहना होगा? Man know their self. Aristotle ने लिखा है. Aristotle ने लिखा है. Greek philosopher Aristotle. Man know their self. No one potential. Just on self. You are the best. You are the best. You can do well. I have potential. I will do the best. So know on yourself. Man know their self. अपने आप को जानिए. Then you can do best. Then you can do best. Aristotle said, man know their self. अपने आप को जानिए. In which position you are, you know very well. You can do well. Not need to comparison with other. Because development required mix of the goal. Because development required mix of the goal. You are associated with the teaching profession, peaceful profession. This one marked as a peaceful profession. That's why it's very very important for you. You should happy. You should enjoy luxurious life because you are choosing the profession of the development of the human resource. One of the professors choosing like you as a development of human resource. So need to remove negativity. Removal of the negativity can be empower the mental health of the person. And one of the also component of the mental health to make the distance with the negative people, because negative people well learn to diverse the people. Negative people well learn to diverse the people. And this diversity can be creates among the people. And creates not one for the successful. Creates not one for the successful. In other perspective, we can also share the message of mental health. Make the plan. Plan should be fragmented. Plan should be fragmented. Plan should be partial. People need to do on work subsequently. People need to do on work based on the outcome. Without outcome, not need to start the work, because work related to the outcome known for the happiness. Without outcome, if you are engaged in the work, it will not create outcome. Will not live well, and mental health required well-being of the people. Mental health required well-being of the people. So, not only make the plan, not only to do outcome work, but it's also very very important go through the sequence, because sequential work not to empower the stakeholder objective. ये जो टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग टीचर, पेरेंट्स, सबका जो ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है क्या होता है? सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट। सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, वेल बीइंग मेंटल हेल्थ कैन बी प्रोवाइड बेटर आउटकम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट। स्कूल आल्सो वांट टू सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ द स्कूल। That means development should be go throughout all rounds aspect. Not only students' marks is required, other aspects required. School infrastructure should be improved. School infrastructure should be improved. School can be performed in the district and state, in nation as well as in top rank. So this will be done by the practice. This will be done by the outcome associated work. So it's very important for all of the stakeholders. See towards the sustainability. See towards the sustainability. That is all of the development, all round development. Need to see if development is going on this hand, if development is going in this hand, if development is going in this hand. But in that corner, development is not going on. It's maybe destructive. It's maybe destructive. So, various type of example. So, someone students doing well in the classroom, performing well, but out as per the WHO report, out of 33, not doing well. We are responsible to accommodate the diversity of the students. Same like that, development of the management. If few of the teachers doing very well, few of the teachers doing average, and few of the teachers not doing well, so not need to give punishment, because those not doing well, those poor, but in some section those doing too well, person too devotee. If personality not perfect in the one of the section, but in other section personality too devotee, those in high rank can't able to do person work. जो सबसे अच्छे हैं उनके वर्क को नहीं कर सकते हैं, जो वह कर रहे हैं जिसको हम पुअर कह रहे हैं. So we all have to identify the personal standard of the teachers, personal standard of the staff, and need to make collaboration, correlation, and this will bring the happiness among the staff member, either teaching or non-teaching. Purpose of this topic is that creation of an environment where all are happy, well-being, associated to each other, ready to help to each other, remove the negativity, share the positive message to our colleagues. This one main topic, main motto of this topic, promotion of mental health challenge. If people not known for mental health, teacher engage. Even when maybe teachers not happy with our spouse, the teacher can do best in the classroom. If such type of conflict associated with teacher from home, that is such type of conflict, general conflict at home with spouse, the teacher can do well in the classroom because teacher mindset is not here. And in this way, we will affect students, school work. So in this improvement, what is required for us? Stability of the state of mind. Stability of the state of mind. State of जो हमारा mind है ना, उसको स्टेबल करके रखना. जब तक हम लोग इसे करके नहीं रखेंगे तब तक अच्छा नहीं कर सकते. Never think he and she talking about me negative or positive, because you know very well what is my personal potential, what are you. It doesn't matter if personality is talking about good and bad, not a good thing, because you know I am well, I am doing well, I am doing well. Like that, students in classroom. फिर आते हैं हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स के पास. स्टूडेंट्स इन क्लासरूम, facing the difficulty of the mental illness. So what are the way? Number one, what are the way to remove the mental illness of the specific students? Number one is that identify the student's problem. Number two is that give reinforcement to the students. Number three is that make friendly relationship with the students. Number four is that to take interest in students' interest. To take interest in student interest. And number five is that to make the case study of the student and reach towards the root. And in this perspective, parents will be helpful. Mother and father will be give more help to the teacher, and then what can do better than earlier. All of the motto of the creating well-being in school is that all of the creating a situation of well-being in school is that learning, removal of the mental illness. Removal of the mental illness. If as there is the teacher we are discussing, then first is that to create interest among the students. बच्चे नहीं पढ़ते हैं, बच्चों में इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, पढ़ने के प्रति रुचि जगाइए, ये सब पढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है। कुछ बच्चे आपके क्लास में हैं, उन पे फोकस नहीं करना है आपको, प्रेशर नहीं लेने हैं, कंपैरिजन नहीं करते हैं आपको, तो क्रिएट इंटरेस्ट among the students। रुचि जगा दीजिए, वही सबसे बड़ा काम आप कर दिए। सबसे बड़ा काम, वो बच्चे नहीं पढ़ते हैं, नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो डायग्नोसिस करना पड़ेगा, डॉक्टर बनना पड़ेगा। डॉक्टर बनकर उनकी डायग्नोसिस करेंगे, वो अच्छा करेंगे। और अगर प्रेशर देते जाएंगे, मार्क्स शो करते जाएंगे, पुअर बोलते जाएंगे, वो बच्चे कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। इट्स विल टर्न लाइक अ फील्ड ऑफ हैसल। एजुकेशन शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ बर्निंग ऑफ द फ्लेम। एजुकेशन शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ बर्निंग ऑफ द फ्लेम। दीपक की तरह जलते रहना चाहिए, नॉट फील्ड ऑफ हैसल। बर्तन भरने जैसा नहीं, बर्तन भर दिए। Same thing, other stakeholder. Now I am also moving to the stakeholder, parents, teacher, teaching, non-teaching, because topic is that the promotion of the mental health in the school. Teachers, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, all of the members should be guided as a team member. Team member. If all guided as a team member, all guided as on accountability, all guided as a responsiveness, these will be make the changes as a legacy. Legacy is the words, it's already states something special. Specific. If something is specific, something is special, really it will be adopted by all. Legitimate, something is special. What makes special something? Accountability, responsiveness. If the person, if the stakeholder, parents, teacher, teaching, non-teaching, authority, all are accountable, all are responsiveness, this one the bring the happiness of the legacy. Something came up in front of us, and that's called the legitimate. Everyone try to become legitimate. सबको अपने आप को ब्रांड समझना चाहिए। I am legitimate person. मैं specific हूँ। I have special knowledge. I have special knowledge. My word is also legitimate because my word is different than other. My word is different than other. So everyone try to come in the series of the legitimate, and due to this legitimate significance, accountability significance, and responsive significance, we can reach towards the goal and happiness, prosperity, mental health, well-being, develop, empower, and we can do well perform positive attitude towards yourself. Really, I know that people special, you are all in all. This will be helpful for your development. Due to this, you can enjoy with on all line question with great zeal and enthusiasm. You are superior, you are special. So every time try to develop positive aspects towards self. Growth, development, and ability to self-actualization. Whether individual success or not success, it depends upon individual wishes, individual aspiration, because different person well known for different goal. Suppose people who living in the slum area, we can take one example related to this topic. If people living in slum area, people developmental goal can be related to get the house, to set up on site. If people who living, if all individual who living in slum area, people can think about to settle, to purchase own home, to make the home, and to inspire of the need. यही हो सकता है, यही हो सकता है. But if people accept more than to inspire of the need, to complete our survival, to complete our minimum success level, people can face difficulty mental illness. Mental illness. We can take another example. Suppose a girls who belonging to the rural area. She can expect better education enrolled in school, but did she can expect to visit abroad? If she is thinking to visit the abroad, it will be create mental illness. It will become obstacle regarding well-being of that girl who is living in rural area and thinking about the visit in abroad Germany to take higher education. So, not include require more expectation. Sometimes friends, we also in more expectation. Yes, too difficult. Not too difficult. Yes or no? Parents also. Parents are essential components of the mental health. Yes. Parents not known to expend single hour to online. Engage in the WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, yeah, cooking, any other gossip, serial, and this to see on body, top pain. Yes or no? This one is the more expectation. This one more expectation not only affect the mental health of the parents. This one more expectation will be affect the child mental health. What condition was average? What was doing well, but due to the force of the mother and father, what is not in condition to stability. Because huge amount of the pressure received by the ward, mother pressure, father pressure, and society pressure also, because kid also conveyed by his and her parents in society. In this examination, my ward will do best. Pressure received by the ward, outcome came up negative, and then concerning this record also contact to the parents. My ward was good in previous school, but here my ward is not good here. Mental health. This one is a good example of the effectiveness of the mental health of the parents, effectiveness of the mental health of the students, and this will also affect the mental health of the teacher for some time. But teacher has potential to adjust it. So overall conclusion is that due to the one word accommodation, समायोजित करना, due to the accommodation of the diversity, due to the accommodation of the mindset, we can save the mental health. We can reach beyond the success. We can provide on school on the top. But accommodation required. Like the Mahatma, middle path. He was followed the middle path. ज़्यादा ऊंचा नहीं सोचना, ज़्यादा नीचा नहीं सोचना, बीच का रास्ता, मध्यम मार्ग पर चलिए. Because he had trapped. Yeah, because middle path well known to provide the track among the people. और जिस व्यक्ति के पास ट्रैक हो गया ना, सील गुड हो गया है, कोई भी गुड को या कोई भी मैटर को रिटेन कर लिया और वो रिटेन लंबे समय तक कर गया, जैसे कि किसी व्यक्ति के झूठ बोलना हमेशा बोलता है, मान लेते हैं, तो उसका ट्रैक हो गया, उसका सील गुड हो गया। किसी का सच बोलने की आदत है, वो हमेशा सच ही बोलता है, उसका ट्रैक हो गया। किसी का पटरी लेने आदत है, वो उसका ट्रैक हो गया, वो उससे जा नहीं सकता। But these all the negative can create the situation of the mental illness. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now time to conclude the session with some of the sentences. We all should require accommodation of the challenges. You all should to develop the capacity to face the difficulty, enjoy the difficulty. We should develop the uniformity. We should develop the uniformity. You should give importance to top to bottom people, because all well known to save the road, all well known to mouth the thing. My dear colleague, if good quality of the iron ore is available without limestone, manganese, nickel, chromium, without better industry, better technology, better skilled engineer, it is possible to make iron steel yet not possible. A good quality of the iron ore is available in environment, but without alignment, without proper alignment, without chromium, nickel, manganese, without proper technology, proper institution, proper research, did Arthur will came up in front of us to making of the relevant track, making of the iron steel नहीं हो सकता। सबका अपना अपना रोल है, हर बच्चा का एक रोल है। अगर हम 3 बच्चों को WHO के अनुसार अगर 30 बच्चों में 3 बच्चों को इग्नोर करके चल रहे हैं तो मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस की जो क्वालिटी आती है वो हमारे सामने नहीं आ सकती है। हम तो गर्व करते हैं, सुसाइड कर लेगा बच्चा, वो बच्चा सुसाइड कर लेगा, वो फ्रंट में आ ही नहीं सकता। आ सकता है क्या? अगर मैं डिस्क्रिमिनेशन स्टार्ट करता हूं, हो सकता है मेरे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन से मेरा जो बंदा है उसमें जो पोटेंशियल उसको ही ना करे। So overall adjustment, accommodation is 2 keywords of today's session, and these 2 keywords should be moved around all of the stakeholders, either teacher, students, parents, authority, teaching and non-teaching staff, and due to this accommodation, due to the diversity, due to the accommodation of the state of the mind, we reach beyond the destination. So thank you. You all.